Or you saw the John Deere ones, and now here's all the older ones. Macy, there used to be in Hopkins. In Minneapolis, Moline, my grandfather worked. They have a little place in a apartment complex. They put all the stuff. Hopkins, New Market, Minnesota, but they were also in Hopkins. But he's from New Market, excuse me. So. John Deere, we really don't care about. Some still go cheap. Depends how much you like them. There's one guy that passed away. He had like about 50 of these bad boys. Good to see they keep history alive. A lot of these are sentimental value. God, look at that old John Deere. This is real steel too as well. Good steel. Look at that bad boy. That's hilarious. I actually saw a Pinto for sale the other day in White Pearl Lake. Over here, now you get some bigger John Deeres over here. So, distinct look on them. 1972. Would cost $5,000 back then. Up to $12,000 the highest. Almost 10. Hutchinson, Sherry Reiner, Hutchinson, Minnesota. Love the history on when they do that. It's cool. In 1965, they made these John Deeres. Yeah, huh? I love old cars, old stuff like this. People reserve it, and people don't care about history. They don't care. I had to tell a kid one time at Oak Ridge what D-Day was because no one told him. They didn't know about 9/11. No one tells them. They care less. All right, we've done the last one here. I always like to come walk up here. They have a farm over here to get kids interested in farming. Got all kinds of good stuff. So great place. A lot of families out here today, like I said, since COVID is over. Well, maybe again, but good to see. Moline. All the history right here. These are all the people that love old stuff. Maytag, look at that bad boy. That's hilarious. You obviously love the history. Someone's continued on its history. The old days. I love that old stuff. That's classic. That is classic. Got 1929 John Deere over there. I'll start these things up too as well. That bad boy. It is a locally built Minneapolis, Minnesota, 1912 Flower City kerosene tractor. That's history right there, ladies and gentlemen. History. What do you think, huh? Oh my lord. That's like, I'm talking real steel too. You're none of this cheap stuff you see now. They make with it, so. That's some real steel too. That's some solid steel. There's no cheap stuff on that thing. Shane, a lot of these were, the old engines were put right in the water. They dumped right in the water too. A lot of the old steam engines.
Really?
Oh yeah, they just over the bridge in the water. That's what they do. That's what they do. They would run right over a bridge. That's what they did. A lot of videos of just running them off into the.
Imagine just standing up there and driving something.
I know.
You know, I mean, visibility isn't that great.
It's the old school. I always say you want to work for yourself, be a farmer.
The hitches on the back. I come from a family of farmers.
There you go. So you work for yourself.
Been on the farm.
So you know what I'm talking about.
Yep. That's crazy.
I know. All right, guys.
So it wasn't that long ago.
Nope.
This is the bomb.
Yep.
You know, you're what, 120 years ago?
Yep. Like I said, you want to work for yourself, be a farmer. That's your original work at home. Seriously.
Yep. Can't do it nowadays.
Nope. Big. It's too bad.
Commercial.
Right.